What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon or Dagger coming at you guys with a brand new video. And I know I haven't talked to you guys in a very long time. I actually made an intro for this video, but something changed, so I had to redo the intro. But right now we're heading over to the homie Brian's house, who was actually in my last short, which is the Evo in that short. So we're heading over to his house. We got some things to install on the Type R, which I'm very excited for, and I hope you guys are ready for that, because I wanted to lower the car probably for some time now. So finally we get to install the rear camber arms and the front camber joints, and hopefully still have enough time to be able to lower the car. I know I haven't posted in a while. This video is probably the first video that I'm making back in a very long time, but there should and might be a video coming after this. There's a little bump right here. I hate this bump. But yeah, now we're headed to his house right now, which is about 10 minutes away. So I'm excited to finally get the car lowered and looking right. Let's get it. Just pulled up to Brian's house. Let me show you his Evo. This is his Evo. Like I said, I showed you guys in the short. We're gonna do something for this. Just be patient. We're making a video for this. This thing's insane. There's a lot to it that he's done. So this is his Evo. Pretty quick too. Sounds pretty lit. But we're going to be attempting to put the rear camera arms, which are right here, and then the front lower camber bolts, camber joints. So probably asking yourself, do I know how to install any of this? No, but we're going to figure it out. So let's start by getting the car up. So to kind of show you guys what we're kind of trying to figure out here, damn, I can't even show them. This bolt right here is for the top piece. There's another one on the inside, which is where he's at for the bracket, and then you have to get one more that's like a little bit farther inside. I wish my camera can show better lighting, but I can't. But you get what I mean. So Brian got his out on his side. This is what the OEM one looks like. In order to get it off, I'm going to show you on his side. Probably a little bit easier. These two brackets right here that you have hanging, you kind of want to get them both off. Then you can access the bolt, which is the 17 on the top, and it comes right off. Then you can put your other one in, which is the SPC. It's the one that everybody goes with. Right there. Can't even see. So we pretty much got this side on after some haggling, at least for me. Pain in the ass. It's hot out here, but yeah, pretty much the same way it comes off, same way it goes on. And then you want to make sure you tighten these down, which he's doing right now, right there. And then we'll see how it fits. I'm trying to clear all this right here because as you can see, what you can see so bad. It's like rubbing up against it. So I'm trying to get rid of that issue. So more camber, more cambies. Oi. Moment of truth. Will I clear? Easy clear. Yeah, I gotta worry about nothing now. I got so much more room, man. I'm trying to put a fatter tire on there. Bro. Actually, sits low. Yeah, I can see that. So much more room now. Room for perfection. Gee. Oh yeah, looks good. Now that we have clearance on the rear, let's undo the front, which looks a lot harder, but I have the camber joints right here. Everything else is inside. So for the one video that I saw, you have to take the brake caliper off. We're gonna try to avoid that, right? We're trying to avoid taking the brake off, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna try to take it off without using it, or without taking it off, but we shall see. So we got the caliper off on the rotor. The rotor's off now, sitting right over there. We still left the hard brake line still on there, and it's hanging on with the bungee cord, you can see. So it's hanging on there. But once you take the rotor off, you want to take these 3 screws off, which is taking off right now. Oh shit. And then we should be able to get to the ball joint. Got the OEM one off. He basically got it off. He did all the work. But yeah, we didn't have to take off the brake line. The hard brake line is being, like I said, it's being held by a bungee cord. And then you take all the bolts off surrounding it, and it comes right off. So now to show you guys the other one.
Why are there so many different?
So there's should be 8 in there.
I see 2 in the middle, and then
there's 2. We pretty much got this side all done. Got everything back on the way it should be. Now I'm gonna lower it a tad bit more, just so I can get probably about like another ½ an inch maybe to lower it some more. I've been wanting to lower the front for a long time, so get to lower it and then it should be good. He's gonna start on that side while I do that. Car finally done. A couple hours later, but we got the fronts done, the rear's done. Drove it around a little bit around the block. No rubbing, so everything's good. Thank you, Brian, again.
problem.
Hell yeah. Expect to see him more in the videos too. Like I said, we're gonna make something for your Evo. I told them I didn't even tell you. We're gonna do a video for your Evo, like I did on the Super one. So expect that video soon. But hell yeah, that part looks good. Whoa, what the? This ain't a Civic, bro. What is this? No, I'm just kidding. This is the homie Sleepy's M3, sorry. Using it right now because he's detailing the Type R. We're gonna go pick up the Type R right now. Truly excited. We're gonna go drop off the car today too. Let's get it, dude. Just got done to pick up the Type R. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but huge shout out to Sleepy for letting me borrow his M5. This thing is freaking beautiful. I love it. But I can hear the Type R coming around the corner right now. Dude, this thing is clean. It's on some TEs. Like, one day I'm gonna own an M3. This thing's very clean. I'm in love with it. We're picking up the Type R. I can literally hear it. God, I want one so bad. Just look at it. There she is. Damn, hey, I never cleaned the car, but that shit looks fucking clean. Oh my god. Whew. They get rid of the leak? Everyone, this is Sleepy. What up, what up? Dude, I was telling him like how much I fucking love your car. It's clean. So I had him detail it, took care of me. Thank you. Give you a keys back. But hell yeah. Pulled up. Wait, what? Look who's here!
What's good?
I got here late.
Hell yeah, he did.
Supposed to be here at 6. It's okay though.
Bro, it's 7.
I don't think anybody's tripping.
Yeah, no.
But we're about to roll in. We checked in and everything already. Got all the stuff that we needed. And supposedly we're supposed to be going in. Sheesh!
Ready to Dagger?
Oh, yep, that's he. You're not gonna rub if I set my fat ass in the back, right?
Huh?
I'm not gonna rub. You're not gonna rub if I have
No, no, you straight.
Oh, okay, bet.
Big chillin', bro. What's up, baby?
Jeez. Hey, so you hungry or what?
Oh, Josh didn't tell you?
Oh no, he told me. I just wanted to press you about it.
How you doing? This boy said, you hungry? Oh man.